Alright, if you've ever tried selling products on Amazon or Shopify, you already know the struggle. You can have the best product in the world, but if your listing doesn't grab attention instantly, people scroll right past it. And let's be honest, creating professional product videos usually means hiring editors, designers, voiceover artists, and spending hours in front of complicated software. That's expensive, stressful, and time-consuming. But what if I told you there's now a way to generate stunning product videos automatically, in minutes, without any editing skills? Today, I'm going to show you how Vidicom makes that possible. Think about it. Every day, thousands of new products hit Amazon and Shopify. Some explode with sales, others barely get noticed. The difference often isn't the product itself, it's the presentation. A great video keeps visitors on your page longer, helps them understand the product, and most importantly, helps them imagine owning it. That's when buying becomes easy. The problem? Traditional video production is slow and expensive. Even a simple demo can take hours. And if you've got dozens of products, forget it, you'll drown in the workload. That's why so many sellers settle for static images and boring descriptions, losing customers to competitors with better marketing. Here's where Vidicom changes the game. Vidicom is an AI-powered product video creator designed specifically for e-commerce sellers, affiliates, and agencies. Instead of writing scripts, building slides, and editing scenes manually, you simply paste your product URL into Vidicom, choose your settings, and let the AI do the rest. Within minutes, Vidicom analyzes your product page, extracts the key details, identifies benefits, writes persuasive marketing copy, generates realistic voiceovers, and assembles everything into a complete promotional video. No editing skills, no design headaches, just fast, beautiful videos ready to publish. Here's how easy it is. Copy the link to your Amazon or Shopify product page. Paste it into Vidicom. Select your preferred style, maybe a demo video, a review-style clip, or a short social ad. Hit Generate. That's it. In minutes, you've got a professional video showcasing your product in the most engaging way possible. Want to run TikTok ads? Vidicom creates scroll-stopping vertical videos. Need YouTube Shorts or Instagram Reels? Done. Want a polished demo for your Shopify listing? Vidicom handles that too. The beauty of Vidicom is scalability. You can create one video, 10 videos, or hundreds across your entire catalog. Imagine launching products faster, testing more offers, and publishing more content without hiring a creative team. For affiliates, Vidicom turns any offer into a compelling video ad that drives clicks and commissions. For agencies and freelancers, it's a premium service you can offer clients and charge top dollar for. And for store owners, it's the secret weapon to outshine competitors and boost conversions. Now you might be wondering, what if it doesn't work for me? That's fair. But Vidicom comes with a full 30-day money-back guarantee. Try it, create videos, launch campaigns, and if you feel it's not right, you get every penny back, no questions asked. The risk is on them, the upside is all yours. Even better, Vidicom is currently available at a special launch price, but this won't last forever. If you come back tomorrow, the deal might be gone. So if you've been looking for a faster, easier, and smarter way to generate product videos for Amazon and Shopify automatically, this is your moment. So here's what to do. Click the link below, get instant access to Vidicom, and create your first high-converting product video in the next few minutes. Stop wasting time on complicated editing, and start putting your products in front of more buyers today. Thanks for hanging out with me. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with other sellers who need a boost. Until next time, happy selling, and I'll see you in the next video.